Most of the celebrities, and especially in the entertainment DJs, many guys went to the dark world. They were using them to wash money. They will come to you, where a DJ somebody, I'm not saying somebody him, a DJ or DJ someone. They'll come to you and say, DJ someone, or DJ Mr. Perhaps, can you open a club? On our behalf, it will be in your name. You see people buying a 120,000, and then that money somewhere, go back to Mali legit. My hambanga, when you deposit, they'll give you money. Let's say here's 20 million. Make up just something, you're going to an event. And then when I'm more sugar up, we open 15 million. Go back to my proceeds, of that event. And I suspect some of the DJs who were killed, they're now having the money, they don't want to release. And the nightclubs, I'm drugs, push on drugs. There's so